The definition of profit and loss. When we see profit, it is the amount that from the revenue or sales after all costs or expenses had been deducted. When we see profit, it is defined as a gain in business. On the other hand, when we say loss, it is what occurred when the costs and expenses exceed the revenue or sales. These two concepts are very much important in business. Hence, it is important to learn how to compute for profit or loss. So, to find profit or loss, we will just simply subtract the revenue and cost. Note the result is a profit if it is positive and loss if it is negative.
We define profit as R of x is greater than C of x, and we define loss as C of x is greater than R of x. What do we mean by this? If the revenue exceeds the cost, so the business earns profit. But when the cost of production exceeds the revenue, the business is at loss. Having a loss is part of business.
Here's the example. Annie bought 1 dozen of smartphones for 200,000 with a discount of 5%. Half dozen was sold at a price of 18,000 per unit. However, a new model of smartphone became available in market, so she sold the remaining half dozen at 12,000 each unit. What was your profit or loss? The cost of 1 dozen of smartphones is 200,000. So, ima-minus natin siya sa 5%. So, yung decimal na 5% is 0.05. And then, i-multiply din natin ulit siya sa 200,000. So, 200,000 minus 0.05 multiply sa 200,000 is equal 190,000. For the net sales is for 6 smartphones at a price of 18,000 per pieces. So, meron na tayo 108,000 dahil minultiply natin siya. And then, for 6 remaining phones at a price of 12,000 per pieces. And then, minultiply natin ulit siya sa 12,000 times 6 is equal 72,000. So, 108,000 plus 72,000 is equal the 180,000 is equal ayun yung total na sale niya. So, ang nawala sa kanya or yung loss niya is 10,000.